Hey guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in today's video, I'll explain whether you can use Zelle without a bank account. So if you're looking for a way to use Zelle without connecting a bank account, then here's the important part. Zelle generally requires an eligible US bank or credit union account, so you cannot normally create a standalone Zelle account and use it without participating bank or credit union account. If your bank supports Zelle, then open your bank's mobile app and look for the Zelle option. From there, you can enroll using your eligible account and send or receive money using a registered email address or US mobile number. And if your bank doesn't support Zelle, then you'll need to use another payment service that supports your available payment method. Also be careful with websites or apps claiming they can let you use Zelle without a bank account, as they may be scams. So that was it for the video. Please do not forget to like, comment and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you for watching.